Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Master Blaster 735. Um, Bringing you a video of a new piece of equipment I bought for my system. This is a Ultratech, which I thought at the time when I seen it, I thought it was an Ultratech 2020, but it looked just like a 2020. But after I purchased it, it was going for $125. But I sent the seller a message and asked if they take $100 for it, which I thought was fair, and they accepted it. So I got it for $141 with tax and shipping. It was $141 for some change. So yeah, I think it was a cool buy. I'm gonna use it for mid base now, and they said it puts out, I think, 600 watts at 8 ohms, and something like at bridge mono, I believe it puts out like 950. But you know, with these Crown products, you can see 12, 14 out of this amp on a true dyno test. So Crown always give out more power than it's actually rated for. That's why I like to buy their products. It's not that peak stuff. This is RMS. So yeah, I picked this up today, so hopefully it'll be here sometimes next week, Monday, give or take. And we'll do an unboxing on it and see what it's about. I know like I said, the Ultratech 2020 is really good. I like it, and I'm looking for another one. When I see one, I'm just see what kind of deal. I made an offer on it. Let's see if I can have that one sometimes next week as well. So peace out, you guys. Stay safe out there.